Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace Key Fob Battery on Mercedes-Benz B-Class, C-Class and many other models in 5 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So here is a Mercedes-Benz B-Class Key Fob, and first you have to slide that gray button on the left side to remove the emergency key or the key blade. Then push that plastic pin from inside and in the same time pull that middle part up. So push that plastic pin from inside and then pull that plastic part up. Let me show you again. You have to pull with the key blade. You have to pull that pin in to unlock it, to unlock that middle part, and then pull it out. And now you can see the batteries. Then you just have to remove those two batteries from inside with your bare hands. So this is a CR2025 battery. So if you cannot remove it in that way, you can release it, that spring, just pull it in and then release it to remove more easily those batteries. So there are two 3 volts CR2025 batteries. You can find them in the video description below. Then install the new batteries in that place. Then install the middle part back on the key fob. And then put the blade back in the key fob. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.